Welcome to the Preserve at Marks Creek, a new community developing in Knightdale with an abundance of on-site amenities. You're just 5 minutes from the heart of Knightdale, 15 minutes from the shops at Midway Plantation, and only 20 minutes from downtown Raleigh, with easy access to I-540 and Highway 64 for a fast commute in any direction. The neighborhood features our most popular low-maintenance townhomes and two-story single-family home designs. Enjoy selecting your personalized high-end finishes in our design center, like a gourmet kitchen and tile shower, or let us curate a designer package to make the process easy and elevated. Our homes are built with flexible spaces, whether you're seeking a home office, a designated fitness space, or a guest suite. You'll be situated within highly desirable Wake County School District and 5 minutes from the Wake Tech East Campus. Nature and activity are quite literally in your backyard. You're less than 5 minutes from Knightdale Station Park with a splash pad, playground, dog park, athletic fields, amphitheater, a pond, and picnic shelters. The scenic trails and family-friendly amenities of Anderson Point Park are only 15 minutes from the community with access to the Neuse River Greenway Trail. When it's time to unwind, you're perfectly positioned near everything you need. Enjoy local favorites like Oak City Brewing and Prime Barbecue, or head to the nearby Target and major retailers at Knightdale's Midway Shopping Center. The Preserve at Marks Creek features beautifully landscaped open spaces and pocket parks, offering a quiet retreat while keeping you connected to the city. Residents will enjoy walking trails around the pond, a dog park, a swimming pool with a cabana, a playground, a meditation area, and a bocce ball court. So what are you waiting for? Join our interest list today to stay in the know.
You'll be the first to receive updates on our pricing, the first home site releases, and the grand opening information. This is the perfect time to work with our financing team, select the perfect floor plans that work best for the way you live, and get ready to secure your spot at a premier Knightdale community this summer. Be among the first to buy and take advantage of the grand opening opportunities and our special incentives. We can't wait to meet you at the Preserve at Marks Creek and show you why this community is the perfect place for your new home.